Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe in this pandemic. I'm pretty sure you all liked my last video, so here again I come up with really interesting and important words that are commonly used in French. Not only that, we will also learn how to create sentences using these words. So, let's begin. So, the first text will be a French word, the second text will be its pronunciation, then the third is followed by its translation in English. So here comes the first word, that is bon. Bon. Here n is a nasal sound and it's used for singular and for masculine. Whereas second word is bonne. Bonne. It's used for singular and for feminine. And it's both mean the same, that is good. But point to be noted that it's also used for well. Fantastique. Fantastique. It means fantastic. Absolument. Absolument. It means absolutely. Ici. Ici. It means here. Très. Très. It means very. C'est. C'est. It can be used in multiple forms. Either it is, or he is, or she is. So now we will see how to make sentences using the words which we learned just now. So let's begin. Now let's suppose you get a sentence, it's good here. So how you can say? You can say, c'est bon ici. C'est bon ici, where c'est is it is, bon is good, and ici is here. Now, what if you get a sentence like, it's absolutely fantastic here? So you can say, c'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici, where c'est is it is, absolument is absolutely, fantastique is fantastic, ici is here. Now let's suppose you get a sentence like, it's very good here. How will you say that? You will say, c'est très bon ici. C'est très bon ici. That is, c'est is it is, très is very, bon is good, and ici is here. I hope you all like this video, and if yes, please hit up the like button. Comment what next thing you want to learn by this way. Also comment if you are satisfied or not with this way of learning. Moreover, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, plus share it with your friends, and also check my first video too. So see you in the next video soon. Till then, goodbye.